Hello friends, welcome to our English lesson. We are on Unit 4. Our theme is Kyrgyz national food. Саламатсыңарбы балдар? Бүгүнкү темабыз кыргыздардын улуттук тамагы бешбармак. Today you'll learn the new food words concerning bешбармак. Do exercises, read the dialogue, then speak on the theme. Be ready for the lesson. Балдар, бүгүн биз сабакта улуттук тамагыбыз болгон бешбармакка тиешелүү жаңы сөздөрдү үйрөнөсүңөр. Көнүгүүлөрдү иштейбиз, диалогту жуп менен окуп, түшүнүп, анан сабакты бышыктайбыз. Before it, we'll have brainstorm. Open your books at page 48, exercise number 1. You'll answer the following questions. What is your favorite food? Name them. Кана, ким котора алат? Ооба, силердин жакшы көргөн тамагыңар кайсылар? Атап бергиле. What dish can you cook yourself? Силер кайсы тамактарды өзүңөр даярдай аласыңар? What is Kyrgyz national dish eaten with hands? Кыргыздардын кайсы улуттук тамагы кол менен, беш манжа менен желет? You are right. It is bешбармак. We are on our theme. Now you are going to learn the new words or ingredients of bешбармак. Translations of these words are not given here. You have to guess them by matching the words in pictures with the definitions. Broth, it's a noun. Soup, usually made with meat. It is shorpo. To chop, it's a verb. To cut something into small pieces. For example, chopped onion, туралган пияз. Noodles, it's a noun. Thin pieces of pasta, food made from flour, eggs and some water. In Kyrgyz it is kesme. Dough, a mixture of flour and water. It is kamur. Chick sauce, it's a noun. Hot mixture of chopped onions and broth. Chopped meat, meat crumbled in small pieces. Туралган эт. Now repeat these words after me. Broth, chopped onion, chopped onion. Noodles, noodles. Dough, dough. Chick sauce, chick sauce. Chopped meat, chopped meat. Let's come to the next activity. Балдар, эми кийинки тапшырмага өтөбүз. Open your books on page 49, exercise number 3. It's a dialogue between Aygul and Amrita, talking on the phone about cooking bешбармак. You'll read it in pairs. Балдар, китебиңердин 49 бетин ачкыла, 3-чү көнүгүүнү жупта иштейбиз. Aygul Amritaga бешбармактын кандай даярдалышын телефондон айтып берет. Диалогту ролдорду окуйбуз, көңүл буруп уккула. If you understood the dialogue, we'll have speaking activity. We'll consolidate our theme answering the questions according to the mind map. Теманы бышыктоо үчүн төмөндөгү суроолорго жооп берип, схеманы толтурабыз. What is the main ingredient of bешбармак? How is dough made or from what ingredients it is made? What is chick sauce? How long is bешбармак prepared? Why is it called bешбармак? The main ingredient of bешбармак is meat. It may be lamb, mutton, beef, horse meat, boiled with some salt and a few onions. The next ingredient is dough. Dough is made from some flour, some salt and an egg. Chick sauce is chopped onion cooked in broth with black pepper. Bishbarmak is prepared for 2 or 3 hours. It is eaten with 5 fingers. So today's lesson devoted to Kyrgyz national food is over. Your home task will be exercise number 3, page 49. You'll learn this dialogue by heart. If you have questions, contact me. See you soon.